Welcome to 164 Revival, and this March episode of the Four Horsemen, we've got the 81 El Camino. The theme on this is shiny paint. Now, this is a voiceover, and obviously I know the end product came out, and I'm not sure if I accomplished a shiny paint. I think it's shiny, but I'm not quite sure the direction in which Xavier wanted to go with this, but I think it came out pretty good as far as where I was trying to get with it. I did some other details on it, so obviously I got it apart. And here I'm taking some styrene, some sheet, and I'm just gonna file it around. I've got it formed because I want to put a tonneau cover on the back end of it. So I've got the files and the sanding pads out just to form it. I want it to be kind of flush. I don't want one that hangs over the edge or anything like that. Put it in the stripper. Now that was aircraft stripper, and it was the old stuff that I've still got laying around, and it didn't get all that premium paint from the, I guess you would call these the premium Hot Wheels. So I've just got I've got kind of a gridded sanding wheel that I picked up off Amazon. We're going to get all those the nooks and crannies and what's left on the flat spots. Okay, so I got it all scuffed up, got the paint off of it, got it all out of the little edges. Wasn't that big a deal. And then I did a little polishing. Didn't go all crazy with the polishing, just enough. Okay, obviously here in the paint booth now, I've got the Spectre Flame Gold in the spray gun right now, and I'm trying to get a fade going. And now I put in just the basic red, Spectre Flame Red, and then I'm going to blend in between, try and get from the gold to the red with an orange fade in the middle there. Kind of accomplished it. Now I finished off the paint, and then you can see there I got to do some sanding down. I'm going to do some wet sanding, but I went over the rest of it all with Spectre Flame Olive, and I think I could have used something a little bit even lighter to maybe accentuate the shininess of the Spectre Flame, because this is a theme of shiny paint. So here we are. We're gonna put the tonneau cover in there. I went ahead and painted that with the vinyl from Redline Shop. Gonna use a little JB Jim. Slap that in there, solidify that, get that set so it don't go popping off. It's time to go ahead and put her together. Didn't do anything with the interior except for cut the wheel wells out because of the tonneau cover that I put in there. Didn't do much with the base other than polish up the bumpers. Did a little light detail front and back. Gonna screw her up together, and there you have it. That's what we started with, the old Iron Fist. Here's what we ended up with. I think it's shiny, but like I said, I think I probably could have used a lighter overall instead of that olive. That would have made it look a little bit more shinier, but I did mix that up with 2K clear so that I could kind of buff out and try and shine up. And then obviously all the damn woolly boogers that like to jump on the final reveal. But I think it came out pretty good. Little glamour shots here for you. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one.